In today's video, you are going to learn how to know if your order has been shipped and how to know your order tracking number. Step-by-step tutorial. So let's begin. Well, before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and importation coach. If you want to contact me for importation business, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how to know your order tracking number and if your order has been shipped out. So let's begin. So the first thing you want to do is to click on your 1688. So next thing you want to do is to click on here to access your profile. Alright, so if your order has been shipped, it's going to be right here. Okay. So we're going to click on here now. So once your order is shipped, then you will be able to get a tracking number. Okay. Alright, so it's going to take you right here. So I'm going to use this order right here. So for you to check your order tracking number, just click on the product link. So I'm going to click on this product link like this. So the next thing you want to do is to click on here. You click this place right here. Then it open up this page. So the next thing you need to do is to click on here to copy your tracking number. The number right here is refers to your tracking number, and for you to copy the tracking number, just click on here and copy. So you can see it has been successfully copied. Once you copy your tracking number, you can send the tracking number to your shipping company and you communicate with them to confirm if they have eventually received the order from the supplier to the shipping company warehouse address that you use to make the purchase. So your shipping warehouse address is going to be right here. Okay. So once you copy the order tracking number, like I explained, you send it to the shipping company and they will confirm for you if the order has been received. If the order has not been received, you will be told. So in the next video, you are going to learn how to know if your order has been signed and has been received by shipping company warehouse in China. So this is how you can copy your order tracking number on 1688 step-by-step tutorial. I hope you got value for this video. If you like this video, give this video a big like, and also remember to click on subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so each time I post content about importation business like this, you'll be notified. And lastly but not the least, if you want to contact me for importation business related, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Thank you for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video.